Two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be summer outfit ideas, and I'm so excited to be filming this because I love fashion and I just want to bring more fashion videos on this channel because I feel like I used to, but I don't know, like I just really want to bring it back. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Chloe and I post new videos every single week, and I would love for you guys to be a part of this little party we got going on. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and without further ado, let's just get on with the video.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I did it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, right now. Yep. Don't let me down, come here right now. Grow up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, come here right now. Yep. Don't let me down, come here right now.
So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button somewhere. I'll put it on the screen. And also leave a comment down below telling me your favorite outfit. So yeah. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.